You searched how to buy shares of Envitec Biogas AG, a German renewable energy company focused on biogas plants, listed on Xetra under the ticker ETG.de. This video is educational only and does not provide financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ETG.de to find Envitec Biogas AG. Select the matching Xetra listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company summary and the price chart for ETG.de. Check the company details and exchange listing to confirm this is the correct stock. Tap Investor Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, review your order settings, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next available pricing, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the order. Once the trade executes, you will see the position in your portfolio and can monitor it there. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.